For my service learning project, I helped plant trees with LEAT at Cordata Trail. This project directly relates to the main idea from class that humans influence ecosystems for the better and for the worse. Planting trees is very important for many reasons. When new trees are planted, the roots soak up excess nutrients in the soil, which eventually prevents eutrophication. Eutrophication is when too many nutrients, phosphate and nitrogen, run off into a body of water, causing an increase in algae and plant growth. Phytoplankton die and sink to the bottom, which provides more food for the decomposer population. These decomposers grow and consume more oxygen, which eventually causes oxygen depletion or dead zones. Although planting trees is beneficial, humans also have a negative impact on the environment through logging. Selective logging is harmful to the environment because it does not encourage biodiversity, and although not all trees are cut down without being replaced, the process still encourages eutrophication. Clear-cut logging is harmful because none of the trees are being replaced and none are being conserved. It disrupts biodiversity and encourages eutrophication as well. Seed tree logging is less harmful because trees are being planted in the place of those being cut down, and the large trees are left to help sustain the environment. However, it too encourages eutrophication. Trees are crucial to the environment for other reasons as well. They give off oxygen during photosynthesis, which is beneficial for humans and other organisms who need oxygen to survive. Photosynthesis happens in the chloroplast. For the process to take place, light, carbon dioxide, and water are necessary. During this process, there are two light-dependent reactions. In the first, pigment in the thylakoid gets excited when the light hits it and loses an electron, which will be used to fuel the protein to create ATP. The second light-dependent reaction is photolysis. This process splits the water molecules in half using light. One of the electrons goes to replace the missing electron from the first reaction. The NADP then carries hydrogen and oxygen, and it is diffused from the chloroplast into the atmosphere or the mitochondria. The protein from the earlier reaction then goes into phosphorylation. The third process is the Calvin cycle. In this dark reaction, carbon dioxide is collected. Carbohydrates are produced and taken to the mitochondria to make ATP or to be stored for later use. In conclusion, humans have both positive and negative impacts on the environment.